Welcome back to All Quiz, your daily quiz channel for students across the USA. Today's quiz will test your knowledge, speed, and focus. Choose the correct answer, count your score, and let's begin. Don't forget to comment your final score below and subscribe to All Quiz for daily school quizzes. Let's go! Think you're ready? What is 18 times 7? Great start! The correct answer is 126. Fraction challenge. Which fraction is equivalent to 3/4? Nice work! The answer is 6/8. Percentage time. What is 35% of 200? Correct! The answer is 70. Integer challenge. Which integer is the greatest? That's right, the answer is -1. Power up! What is 5 squared? Excellent! The answer is 25. Decimal addition. What is 0.6 plus 0.35? You got it! The answer is 0.95. Exponent challenge. What is 7 cubed? Correct! The answer is 343. Geometry check. Which angle measures exactly 180 degrees? Nice job! The answer is a straight angle. Order of operations. What is 6 plus 4 times 5? Great thinking! The answer is 26. Algebra time. Solve 3x equals 42. Correct! The answer is 14. A recipe uses 3 cups of flour for 12 cookies. How many cups are needed for 24 cookies? Excellent! The answer is 6 cups. Area challenge. What is the area of a triangle with a base of 8 centimeters and a height of 5 centimeters? That's right! The answer is 20 square centimeters. Coordinate plane challenge. Which point is in quadrant 1? Correct! The answer is 4,5. Fraction subtraction. What is 7/8 minus 3/8? Nice work! The answer is 4/8. Statistics challenge. What is the mean of 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14? You got it! The answer is 10. Divisibility test. Which number is divisible by both 4 and 6? Correct! The answer is 24. Shopping math. A shirt costs $80 and is on sale for 25% off. What is the sale price? Excellent! The answer is $60. Integer challenge. What is -7 plus 15? Nice work. The answer is 8. Expression challenge. Evaluate 4 times the quantity x plus 3 when x equals 5. Correct. The answer is 32. Perimeter problem. A rectangle is 14 centimeters long and 9 centimeters wide. What is its perimeter? Great job! The answer is 46 centimeters. Ratio challenge. Which ratio is equivalent to 2 to 5? That's right, the answer is 4 to 10. Fraction division. What is 2/3 divided by 1/6? Correct, the answer is 4. Factor challenge. What is the greatest common factor of 24 and 36? Excellent, the answer is 12. Mental math time. What is the value of 15 minus 7 multiplied by 12 divided by 3? You got it! The answer is 32. Money challenge. If 5 notebooks cost $12.50, how much do 8 notebooks cost? Correct! The answer is $20. Can you solve it? A number is multiplied by 4 and then increased by 9 to get 41. What is the number? Nice work! The answer is 8. Decimal showdown. Which decimal is the greatest? Correct! The answer is 0.75. Volume challenge. What is the volume of a cube with a side length of 4 centimeters? Great job! The answer is 64 cubic centimeters. Probability question. A spinner has 8 equal sections. What is the probability of landing on one specific section? That's right, the answer is 1/8. Final challenge. A farmer has chickens and cows. There are 20 heads and 56 legs. How many cows are there? Fantastic! The answer is 8 cows. Thanks for completing today's quiz. How many answers did you get right? Comment your score below and let us know which grade or subject you want next. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe to All Quiz, and turn on notifications for more daily school quizzes. Keep learning, keep practicing, and see you in the next quiz!